So today we're gonna learn a couple phrases with these wonderful people. Hey, today Colombia plays. Juega Colombia hoy. Hey, but first we need to learn some phrases in English. So, you are going to start an English class, huh? Well, you are going to need some phrases for the classroom. Phrases for the classroom. So let's look at number one. What do you see the picture? What do you think is letter A, the first one? Maybe she sees the word map. Yeah. Maybe she sees the word map and she asks, what does map mean? What does map mean? Say it, try it. What does map mean? What does map mean? Yeah, you got to get the music. What does map mean? You got it. All right, let's look at B. So we did A, now B. You know, to me, it looks like she's asking, what's that? She could say, what is that? What is that? Or what is that in English? What is that? 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 What's that? You got it. All right, so let's look at C. It looks like he is pronouncing this right here. If you can zoom in, this is pronunciation. This is A, O, F, alphabet. Alphabet. He's pronouncing the word. He's pronouncing the word. So what do you think is the question? Uh-huh. You could say, how do you pronounce? How do you pronounce this word? How do you pronounce this word? How do you pronounce this word? Or you could say, could you pronounce? Could you pronounce this word? Uh-huh. Could you pronounce this word? You try. Could you pronounce this word, please? Could you pronounce this word, please? Could you pronounce this word, please? Yeah. Yeah. And with all of these, the most important word is please. The most important word in English is please and maybe thank you. Please and thank you. All right. Here we have a couple of more pictures. Let's look at D. Yeah. It looks like he says page 7. So she is asking, what page are we on? 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 Yeah, you got to get the music, the music. What page are we on? All right, what about E? The teacher says, do exercise 9 on page 7. And then she says something, and he responds, of course. And he repeats. Could you repeat that, please? 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 Yeah, could you repeat that, please? There, you got it. That's good. Could you repeat that, please? This is your best friend. This you need to say every day. 1,000 times. 1,000,000 times. This is your number one phrase if you're just learning English. All right, what about F? Maybe she's thinking of this object in Spanish, la silla, or in French, chaise. I think it's la chaise. And she wants to know how to say it in English. Yeah. How do you say, let's say it's Spanish. In Spanish, you'd say silla. How do you say silla in English? How do you say silla in English? How do you say silla in English? There, you're getting it. Perfect. If you don't have the music, they won't understand you. You have to have the music of the phrase. How do you say, how do you say, how do you say, how do you say silla in English? How do you say silla in English? Good. Here we have 3 more. Let's look at letter G. He is looking like he's saying Tuesday. Yeah, absolutely. Now, you can say can or could. I would probably use could. It's just more formal. So, could you spell Tuesday? Could you spell Tuesday? Please, you got it. Could you spell Tuesday? Please? With the question mark? Could you spell Tuesday, please? Could you spell Tuesday, please? Could you spell Tuesday, please? Huh? Pero con confianza. Yeah, if you go to someone and you say, could you spell Tuesday? No te van a responder. They're going to say, huh? You're going to say, could you spell Tuesday, please? Could you spell Tuesday, please? Yeah, you got to say it. You got to say it confidente. You got to say it confident, strong, or else no one's going to understand you. Let's look at H. He says, of course, and he is writing on the board. Yeah, I would say, could you write that on the board, please? Could you write that on the board, please? Could you write that on the board, please? Eso sí son muchas palabras. Okay? Look, could you write? Could you write that on the board, please? Good, you got it. Okay, let's try it backwards. Board. Board, please. Board, please. The board, please. On the board, please. That on the board, please. Write that on the board, please. You write that on the board, please. Could you write that on the board, please? Yeah, and you can see it goes, could you write that on the board, please? Could you write that on the board, please? You got it. All right, and last one. Letter I. You got it. You know it. You could say, sorry, I don't understand. I'm sorry, I don't understand. Now, if they are talking to you and they walk up to you and they say, hello, how are you doing? I'd like to introduce myself. Blah, 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 blah. Sorry, I don't understand. Yeah, no te quedes ahí como bobo, como con una sonrisa de bobo. No, just say it in English. I'm sorry, I don't understand. I'm sorry. Or you could just say, sorry, I don't understand. I don't understand. Uh-huh. I'm hearing some problems here. Stand. I don't understand. Uh-huh. Yeah, I'm sorry. I don't understand. I don't understand. Aquí, you remember what we said, the linking, vinculación, linking? I don't understand. Se conecta aquí. I don't understand. Uh-huh. I'm sorry. Eso. Exactly, that's right. I'm sorry, I don't understand. I don't understand. All right. Yeah. Now this is an important phrase. The two most important that you need to memorize. One, could you repeat that, please? Two, sorry, I don't understand. You need to, those two, you say every day. Uh-huh. No hay pena. I'm sorry, I don't understand. Could you repeat that, please? No hay pena. I don't understand. Could you repeat that, please? I don't understand. Could you repeat that, please? Please. Please, 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 please. Maybe, de pronto pareces bobo, pero un bobo muy educado. Please, thank you. Please, please, thank you. Please, thank you. Could you repeat that, please? Thank you. Please, thank you. Bobo pero educado. Okay? You got it.